How to top up in Touch and Go via Maybank2u online. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to top up in Touch and Go via Maybank2u online. You have to run or open the TNG ewallet application. Click on the Reload eWallet option. Select the amount or enter the reload value you want and then click Reload eWallet. Choose if you want to top up using a debit card or credit card or FPX. Open your Maybank2u app. Complete the payment until it is complete. If successful, the TNG eWallet account will have an increased value. Click on Done. So that is exactly how to top up in Touch and Go via Maybank2u online. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.